How to use Google Drive for file storage and sharing. Ever had one of those moments when your computer crashes and you realize all your important files were only saved there? Or maybe you are just tired of the endless struggle with managing storage space on your devices. That's where Google Drive comes in, a powerful cloud-based solution for storing and sharing your files seamlessly. Whether you are working on important documents, sharing photos with your friends, or just trying to keep your digital life organized, Google Drive has got you covered. In this mini course, we are diving into the world of Google Drive. We will show you how to set it up, upload and organize your files, share them with others, and even tap into some advanced features. By the end of this video, you will be a Google Drive Pro, ready to take control of your digital space. So let's get started. Ready to declutter your digital life and never worry about losing a file again? Let's jump in and explore how to use Google Drive for file storage and sharing. Let's kick things off by setting up Google Drive. First, you will need to have a Google account. If you already have one, you are good to go. If not, don't worry, it's a simple process. To create a Google account, go to accounts.google.com. Click on Create Account and choose whether it's for yourself, your child, or for your business. Fill in your information like your name, username, and password. Once you have completed the steps, you will have access to all the Google services, including Google Drive. Now that you have an account, accessing Google Drive is very easy. You can get there by tapping drive.google.com into your web browser. If you are on a mobile device, just download the Google Drive app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. After logging in, you will see your Google Drive dashboard. This is your main hub for all your files and folders online. From here, you can upload, organize, and share your documents with ease. Remember, your Google account comes with 15 GB of free storage space, which is more than enough for most of the users. If you need more, you can always upgrade to a paid plan. That's it. You have set up your Google Drive and you are ready to start using it. In the next session, we will show you how to upload your files and keep everything organized. To upload your files, start opening your Google Drive dashboard. In the top left corner, you will see a button labeled New. Click on it and you will get a drop-down menu with the options. Select File Upload if you want to upload individual files, or Folder Upload if you want to upload an entire folder at once. After selecting File Upload, a file picker window will open. Navigate to the file or files you want to upload. Select them and click Open. Your files will start uploading to the Google Drive, and then you can see the progress in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once uploaded, the files will appear in your My Drive section. If you are uploading a folder, the process is similar. Click New and then Folder Upload. Choose the folder you want to upload and click Upload. Google Drive will upload the folder along with all its contents, maintaining the same structure. This is a great way to keep your files organized. Another easy way to upload is by just drag and drop. Simply drag the files or folders from your computer and drop them into your Google Drive browser window. This method works the same way as using the upload button. Remember, you can upload various file types into Google Drive, including documents, photos, videos, and many more. Plus, Google Drive automatically saves your files, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. In the next section, we will cover how to organize your files and folders in the Google Drive to keep everything tidy and easy to find.